welcome back to my YouTube channel Science Special Class. In this video we will learn 10 lines about the Paper Bag Day. So let us begin. Paper Bag Day is celebrated worldwide on July 12. Paper bags are recyclable, paper bags are eco-friendly, paper bags are made up of renewable resources like trees and cow dung. Paper bags are biodegradable and do not leave toxins out. Paper bags can be easily made in a home composter. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about using paper bags. Paper bags do not cause any harm to the animals also. Paper bags are also not harmful for the marine life. Never waste paper or overdo it because papers are made up of wood, and to generate more papers we have to cut down more trees. So never waste paper, always use it very carefully. If you like the video then please do like the video and subscribe the channel Science Special Class. Thank you.